Good morning. This is an activity that you will be doing today. You will have a chart that says slope-intercept, standard point slope. You will be given one and required to manipulate this to get either one of these. So I'm going to go through an example of each. So if I am given point slope, I can go to slope-intercept by manipulating and isolating the y. So I'm going to come over and go y plus 1 equals 1/3 of x minus 6. And I'm going to go from point slope to slope intercept. And I'm going to do y plus 1. I'm going to distribute the 1/3. And I'm going to be careful of my signs. 1/3 times -6 is -2. I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides, and I'm going to have y equals 1/3 x minus 3. So that's how I would go from point slope to slope intercept. If I am given standard, I am going to go to slope intercept, and my slope intercept, I am going to do 3x plus 4y equals 12. I need to isolate the y, subtract 3x, subtract 3x. I hang it off because it does not combine with the 12. 4y equals 12 minus 3x. Divide everybody by 4. Y equals that divided by 4, that divided by 4, that divided by 4 to get a coefficient of 1 is 3 minus 3/4 x, and then y equals -3/4 x plus 3. So it does have to lead with the y equals. Okay, if I wanted to go to point slope, I can use this point right here because that's the y-intercept, and I can use 0,3. So because the x-intercept and the y-intercept are the easiest ones to use, so 0,3 is a point, so then you can use that point to go into point slope. If you're given slope intercept, I would go to standard next, and I would say y equals 4x plus 8. I pull the y over, and I pull the 8 over at the same time. So I get -8 equals 4x minus y. And then I turn it around, 4x minus y equals -8. There's my standard. My point slope, I'm going to use my y-intercept because y-intercepts are so important. If you have any questions, please attend office hours. Thank you.